What's up everyone, it's Jake with Lights at Wholesale and InvisiLights, and we are doing an install on this home today. This is like a 55 and older community, and these neighborhoods are a gold mine for permanent lighting. This install is going to be unique. We're using these InvisiLights with INVISICLIPS. These are the Eave Pro clips. We're using brown wire and we're using brown clips, because the customer has like a light brown soffit panel color, and so this is going to look the best. They're planning on keeping these lights up year round and hopefully adding some track to them in the next year or two. So today we're going to be doing all of our jumps through the attic so that there's not any exposed wires. We're also going to be putting the box mounted inside the garage, but that's not required for an install like this. You could mount the box on the exterior of the home where they have an outlet by their utility box, and then you could run wiring over their rain gutter and along their shingles, just like you would with Christmas lights. And we sell different colors of plastic protective loom, so you could easily color match to the shingles or the rain gutter, the soffit panels, wherever you need to hide wire or run wire. So right here we have our control box. That's going to go in the front corner of the garage, and there's only about 6 feet. It's only going to be about 6 feet away from an outlet. And then I've got the rest of my lights in here. I've got my GFCI controller. I've got extensions. So my little tool belt. I've got colored loom to use on the soffit panels. And the other nice thing about this kind of an install, when you order InvisiLights with INVISICLIPS, it's going to come in a kit. So all I had to do on lightsatwholesale.com was just pick the length of the roof line. So this home, it's going to be just under 100 feet. It's like 70 something. And so I just ordered the 100-foot kit, and it came with all of a bunch of extensions, and it came with a data booster. So it makes my job a little bit easier when I'm ordering the supplies to order them in a kit form. So we have different kit lengths going up to several hundred feet. You can check them out. I'll put the link in the description. And I've got a couple of helpers and special guests today. So we're going to be getting some video, and it should only take us just a little bit of time to do this install, and we'll be sure to show you at night when it's all done too. So keep watching and we'll show you how this install goes. Quick mid-install update. So I had Ryan help me. We just punched a couple of wires. We're on the inside of the garage, and they run up through a hole through the drywall into the attic. And then one wire comes out here, and we actually removed this panel temporarily enough to get a wire down and start our very first light. So we're gonna run lights up and over this first peak, and then rather than having a wire run along the shingles and up to our second peak, I actually ran a second wire through the attic with there's like 16 feet of extensions, and they just screw right into each other with male and female plugs and a little screw cap. No splicing needed on this job at all. And we just pulled one little soffit panel out of this corner right up here, and that's where my next light bulb starts. So once I have this box mounted in the garage, that part's gonna take me like 10 minutes. I gotta put a couple drywall screws in, or some anchors. And then these 70 bulbs, it's only gonna take us like 20 minutes to get them in place. And then I'll be able to show the customer how the app works. That'll take me 5 minutes and we'll be all done. And then I'll come back at night and I'll show you how it looks. All right, quick tip. Now, when you're installing a box inside the garage, I really like doing them in the garage, but you need to pick yourself up some drywall anchors. Up here, I've got my wires going up into the ceiling, okay? They're hanging down right now, getting ready to be connected to the box. So I wanted this box as close to this corner as possible. And right in here, in this hole, this is where we have a wood beam, okay? I don't need the drywall anchor there. But here and here, I put drywall anchors, and that's what's gonna hold the control box up on the right side of the control box. Now, these InvisiLights control boxes, they don't weigh very much, and so this isn't gonna fall down. These drywall anchors are gonna hold this box in place just fine, and the box is up and out of the way too, so it's not like the customer is gonna bump it or need to access this ever. The only thing that they might ever have to do is power cycle the box. And the outlet is down low where they can reach. And that's where the GFCI outlet adapter goes to. And so this will be up and out of the way, and it's in a nice spot. I'll show you when it's done. All right, next update. The control box is mounted, and we've gone ahead and used some wire safe staples. I think they're called like coaxial staples, but they just run up and over, and then we've got the outlet here. We've got a GFCI outlet adapter just to make sure everything's super safe. So now the fun part begins, which is gonna be putting these bulbs on the face. And like I said, it's really only gonna take like 20 minutes to put 72 bulbs on, I think, but we'll show you the process.
These are literally just as easy as Christmas lights. We got our clip here, bang, just like that. We're obviously gonna tie it up, sort of do it one-handed, but.
I'm on the roof, and I just wanted to point this out. So we did remove this panel to be able to run our wire into the attic, and it looks so good. Like, this light's just gonna go, you know, maybe here or here, and it's gonna start our run, and it's gonna look seamless and awesome, and there's no wiring running across the roof. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but this customer chose that option when I came to do the bid, and so, you know, we felt really comfortable offering that solution and almost having it as an upsell, because we knew it would look really good, and the customer believed us, and now we're following through on this really clean install.
You see right here, I'm just going like this. Finding my thing, bang, just like that. No splicing wires, which is huge, so you don't need to have electrical safety. I make sure that my line's clean and it's clipping under, so it has the same effect as permanent lighting. An incredible app, and look how fast that is. If you're in Christmas lighting, you don't want to lose customers to permanent lighting, or maybe you're in permanent lighting and you're sick of complicated installs, check out these lights. 10 out of 10.
All right, everyone, we just finished this awesome install. I'm just gonna go take 5 minutes and quickly educate the customer on how to set some timers, how to use the presets. But overall, the app is super friendly. We got some video today. Ryan and Adam did a great job installing this, and over again, we just kept saying to each other, these install just like seasonal Christmas lights. So you can do this install in a number of different ways. Everything from super simple, where you just put the box on the outside and you run extensions covered in loom up to your different jumps, or you can do what we did today, which the customer preferred, where we did some hidden jumps. But if you have any questions, I'm gonna throw some links in the description to our online, on-demand InvisiLights training. And if you wanna order one of these kits, you don't have to be a dealer or anything to order one of these kits, and we'll actually include an hour-long training free of charge with your kit that teaches you how to do this type of install with INVISICLIPS. So thanks for sticking around. We'll show this video, this home lit up at night, but we'll see you for the next install. Thanks. I'm back. It's now about 6 o'clock. I got this customer all set up on the InvisiLights app. So they have full control over the lights going on in their home. They're set on some timers right now to come on in the evening every night, and then to turn off in the early morning. If you have ever used the InvisiLights app, or if you've been curious if it's user-friendly or not, it's just like setting an alarm on your iPhone or your Android phone to be able to control the timers with the lights. So there are presets that come with the app that make it really easy to use from the get-go, and it's also really easy to make custom presets and patterns for the customer. So You're not going to be dealing with people calling you, confused about how to set something up, because it's very intuitive. And we also send some instructions with every kit that we do. So once again, this is a 100-foot RGBW smart lights kit with INVISICLIPS. When you order online, you pick the color of the wire for the bulbs, and you pick the color of the clip, and you pick the style of the clip. So this job used the Eave Pro INVISICLIP, and we have some videos online showing the differences between them. Now, one other thing I want to highlight is we took the time, because this customer used to be a seasonal Christmas light customer of ours until today. And so on all of their peaks, we took a time to put a bulb right in the center, just like we always have with their Christmas lights. It really just brings some symmetry and helps the house stand out compared to the neighbors. And then we're also using 12-inch spacing between all of the lights. 12-inch spacing is the standard for Christmas light spacing. Most people throughout North America are using 12-inch spacing on all their jobs. And so we've just done the same to bring the Christmassy feel to this customer. Now, the neighbors next doors, they have permanent lights. Theirs are in a metal track, and their spacing is a little bit closer. As far as how they look side by side, this one, you're gonna get that tighter grouping, whether you like it or not. That's how they have theirs installed. But on this home, the bulbs between the two homes actually are about the same brightness. So you don't lose anything by going with an install that uses clips. InvisiLights is incredibly bright and professional. And we'll see you at the next install. We've got one more tomorrow that we're gonna do, and we're gonna bring you along then. So we'll see you then.